Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. And we are learning unit 2, that is my beloved country. Today is lecture 8, and in this lecture we will understand basic social courtesies under the title of listening and speaking, and we'll cover page number 18 of your book. Before this, in your previous grade English C, you have studied greeting words. You learnt it, and you also practiced by recognition of courtesy words. You learnt the word please, thank you, and many more. So we are extending this topic, and parallel to this, in your general knowledge grade 1, you have also learned how to introduce yourself. In first unit, myself, you have learned introduction of yourself. So again, we are extending it in English, and now you will learn to articulate and recognize and use of some formulaic expressions to express and offer a few basic social courtesies. This is today's SLO. We start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah says in Surah An-Nisa, verse 86. And when you are greeted with a salutation, greet with one better than it, or return the same. Yes, my dear children, you see, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching us, when someone says a salutation to you, return the same or better than that. Okay, and what is salutation? The first question of today's lesson will tell you. What is the first question? What do you say when you meet someone? So here, my dear students, when you meet someone, what do you say? That is called salutation. So what do we say? Yes, we say Assalamu alaikum. And when someone says Assalamu alaikum to us, what do we say in reply? We say Wa alaikum assalam. And Allah is saying return better. So how can we say better? We can say Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this way, this reply becomes better than what someone is saying to us, right? Okay. So do you greet your mother when you come back from school? Do you greet your mother? Very good. And I hope you don't forget to greet your father when he comes back from his work. Very good. Better, whenever someone comes from outside, enters your home, always try to say salam to your elders and to your youngers as well. So we should show good manners all the time. Why we need to show good manners all the time? Because your education is not your books only. You are studying book, you are getting prizes, you are promoting to next classes. But it's your manners which tell what type of child you are. Okay? And when we show good manners, what we get in return? Everyone respects us. They say, this is a good child. This is a very mannerful child. And you are yourself happy with yourself, that you feel good about yourself. And the best thing is, Allah is happy with us. Because Allah is teaching us to show good manners. When we show good manners, Allah rewards us. So Allah is happy with us, and Allah blesses us with more abilities and qualities. Okay? So these manners include your verbal manners as well. We will learn few verbal manners which are known as courtesy words. Courtesy means polite words. The way you say things, make the things polite. Means in a very kind and nice manner. Things should be said in a good and nice manner. And to make these words better, we use these words. Excuse me, please, thank you, may I. This is mentioned on page number 18 of your book. And when we use these words, I'm going to explain to you. To seek permission, we say, may I. Means you want to do something and you need a permission. You don't start doing that. You say, may I? For example, you want to enter in a room or in a classroom. What do you say? You say, may I come in? Okay, the way. Like you stand outside the room, you knock at the door. If the door is closed, knock at the door and ask, may I come in? If you are being permitted to enter, then enter. If you are not permitted, don't push yourself to enter. Okay, this is what courtesy is. You are seeking permission. May I come in? You are allowed, then enter in the room. Do these manners at your home and in school and everywhere. Wherever a door is closed or you want to enter in a room, first take permission. All right. Now here I have a message for my dear fellow teachers. Lesson plan and worksheet of this video lecture is attached in the description box. You may take it and follow it or even modify the way you want it. All right. Yes, my children. If you want to ask a question, what do we do? Like teacher is teaching and you want to ask a question. First, we raise hand and then we say, may I ask a question, teacher? Okay, like class is going on. If you want to ask a question, we don't say, Miss, what is this? Miss, what is? No, this is not the right way. How do we do it? We raise a question, we raise our hand. Then teacher asks you, yes, my dear child, you want to say something? Then you will say, ma'am, teacher, may I ask a question? This concept or here, this point is not clear to me. This is the right way to participate in a class. Okay, good. I hope you know it. I'm just reminding you. Okay, what next? To take something from a friend. You share things. Sharing is a good habit, but we don't share in a way like your friend has put a pencil on the table and you just take it and start using it. No, the right way is first take permission. And how do we take permission? We say, may I take your pencil or book or whatever. If you want to take something, first you will say, may I take it? Your friend says, yes, you may. Then you may take and use it. Good thing. All right. Next is, if you want to make a request, what do you say? Please. If you want to make a request, you say, please. How we use it? May I drink water, please? For example, you have water bottle with you. You are sitting in your classroom. Now you are thirsty. You will not start like you will open the bottle and start drinking. No. First you will ask, you will take permission and you will say, please. It is a request. Okay, you will ask your teacher, may I drink water, please? Okay. All right. So one more thing, if you want to make everyone to be quiet, what do we say? Please stay quiet. Please stay quiet, right? This is how small thing. We cannot all the time order. We have to make request. And there is another word, thank you. When someone helps you or favors you, like here you see a friend is giving a gift to the other friend. So what should that boy say? He should say, thank you. And the one who is giving the gift, whom he is saying thank you, what should he say? He should say, you are welcome. It's my pleasure. You are welcome. Okay, whenever someone helps you, gives you a gift, or in any way, it's not like a material thing. If someone is helping you, he is telling you a concept, or he is guiding you, always say, thank you. And once someone says thank you to you, you must say, you are welcome, right? And always say it with a smile. All right, now this is the practice on page number 18. Here there are two friends, Amina and Mariam, and they are conversating about it. Now I request teachers, arrange a role play in your class for this dialogue. Pause the video Take two students, one is Amna, other is Mariam, how they are talking, make them to talk, and further, whatever more words we have learned today, make different situations and make the students to use thank you, please, may I in different situations. Okay, this because this is listening and speaking, so make the children to speak a lot. They should be clear when to use which courtesy words. All right, now pause the video and make the students to act according to the dialogue or your instructions. All right. Okay, yes, I hope you have done it and you enjoyed doing this role play. Very good. And my dear children, this is not just to show to your teacher, yes, we learned everything. It is for your daily practice. Wherever you need to say please, wherever you need to say thank you, wherever you need to say may I or excuse me, use these words, okay? You will be happy, you will feel good, and others will also be happy with you. And definitely, Allah will be happy with all of us. So here I have given you an additional worksheet. This is about the use of these expressions which we learned today. This worksheet is attached once again, my dear fellow teachers and dear students, with this video lecture in description box, the link of lesson plan, and this worksheet has been attached. Take it, take a print and make your students to do this worksheet. And my dear children, you may do this worksheet along with your parents as well. All right, that's it for today. What we have learned, we recognized the need of few basic social courtesy words, and we identified and practiced the use of different courtesy words. In this way, we have achieved the SLO to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to express and offer a few basic social courtesies. We have done it very good, and we will practice in our routine life on daily basis. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come with another very interesting lesson. Till that time, take care, thank you, and Allah Hafiz.